Good morning, this is Winsome Gunning, sharing my subtropical food garden on the Gold Coast. It's February at present and things are starting to get a little overgrown. A lot of work to do once March and April comes here. But the fruit is coming on the trees. This is the feijoas tree, and here we have what were just buds before in the previous videos. Now we're seeing the fruit forming. And over here on the guava, this is the Indian guava, same happening. Losing some fruit, of course, that happens, but lots of lovely fruit and healthy fruit because I grow everything organically. So just walking around, you'll see lots of work to be done, and I know that, but I've done some pruning, but February is usually that month when we all feel it's hot, it's steamy, and things just grow. There's the wonderful Moringa tree in the background there. So full of leaves at the moment. I have those every day with my meals. I'll give you a close-up. I have to walk down here. These are the beautiful leaves that you eat. The Indians call this the tree of life, or the miracle tree. It's also known as the drumstick tree, but it was quite there in my previous videos, but it comes just so full of wonderful, nutritious, dense, dense food. I added leaves of that to each of my lunch and dinner, and that's just so full of wonderful nutrients. Okay, lots of sweet potato running all over the place at the moment. That'll be harvested in March and in April when the weather gets cooler. I get in and clear out this ground and plant other things here, but at the moment I'm letting the sweet potatoes run. And look at this beautiful ginger flower. Love it, just love it. These have just suddenly all grown so abundant. This is what the hot, humid weather does. And here we have on the pawpaw, lots of fruit coming. This is February. Some people in this climate, gardening the more traditional ways, leave their gardens empty at this stage of year, but for the permaculture gardener, this using food survival plants, this is the time of the year when everything is very abundant. The yacons have grown amazingly tall. In March, April, they'll go yellow, and then I'll harvest the lovely Peruvian ground apples. They are so sweet, like a sweet apple, just lovely to eat. And I actually cut down the cassava the other day, so that's not all the branches got. I put the branches on the ground. It's starting to rain, so I'll go inside soon, but they will be, I'll harvest those probably in March or April. I'm going to have to end this now because more rain is coming down, but just a feeling of how things grow so abundantly at this time of year.